Guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine using some of the products that I got from Beauty Fest. Finally, right? I've had those products sitting in the suitcase for quite a while now, maybe about a month or so, and I'm finally getting around to using some of them, and I'm super excited about it. So I have a ton of products right here in front of me. To be honest, y'all, I feel like I'm doing the utmost, but I'm super excited. So you know what, why not, right? So most of the products that I have here are from Naturium, but I do have a few products from Belief, and I believe the Clog as well, as you guys will see as the video continues. So right now it is late, it is nighttime. Let's see what time it is, y'all. It is 2:40 a.m. Your girl is a night owl, but I'm actually feeling a little bit sleepy now, so let's get started. Oh, before we jump into the video, if you guys haven't seen this tutorial for this cute goddess halo braid with the curly clip-ins, definitely check it out. I'll link it above in the iCard so that you guys can watch. So the first product that I'm going to be using is from Naturium. This is their fermented camellia cleaning cleansing oil. So this is to get rid of my makeup, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. So as far as the directions, I'm just supposed to apply it to my hand, work a generous amount into my palms, and warm for 8 to 10 seconds until the cleanser transformed into an oil paste. Massage onto my dry skin to dissolve my makeup and add water to emulsify. Rinse thoroughly and follow with second cleanse. Hopefully I don't mess up my robe. Y'all see how clumsy I am? Okay. Alright, I wasn't expecting it to look like this, y'all. I don't know how much to use. Okay, that seems like enough. Okay, so we're gonna rub it in my hands. It's getting warm until it turns into a paste. I know a lot of people have been kind of talking about not using like makeup wipes and things like that, and you guys know I love using makeup wipes, but a lot of people have been saying they're not that great for your skin, they're not that great for your face. So hopefully this works well. I'll continue to use it. The hardest part when it comes to me removing my makeup is always my mascara. I feel like I haven't really found a product that really gets my mascara off quickly. There's always some residue left behind. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this off. You guys, I'm actually quite impressed. This got off all my eye makeup. You guys, I love that for me. All right, so now I'm gonna follow up with my cleanser. So when I went to Beauty Fest, the guy actually told me to use this with another cleanser that he gave me. Y'all, I cannot find that cleanser. I think I gave it to my mom or my sister, I don't know. So I've been kind of using this one for the past few weeks. So this one is the benzoyl peroxide cream cleanser, 5%. This is to clear acne blemishes and help prevent new breakouts from forming. As you guys know, I love using products with benzoyl peroxide. The CeraVe acne foaming cleanser that I use in my affordable skincare video actually has the active ingredient benzoyl peroxide, and it actually works well. I do think the CeraVe works better than this, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and follow up with this, and I'm actually going to cleanse twice. For 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go in one more time with this. So So I am done with cleansing, so let's move on to the next step. So I'm gonna go in with a BHA liquid exfoliant 2%. So this is to exfoliate, help unclog pores, smooth uneven textures, and also brighten my skin. I'm super excited to use this because I'm so used to the more abrasive exfoliants, and this is a liquid one, so I'm super excited to be able to use this. So I'm going to shake this well, and I'm going to apply it to my palms and then apply it all over my face. So now that my exfoliant is added, I'm going in with the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner for all skin types. So this is instant hydration that floods skin with moisture. So this is how this one looks. So I'm just gonna apply this to my palms as well. As you guys know, I always use like witch hazel, but you know, I'm open to trying new things, you guys, like going forward. I can't be scared to try like new products, you know what I'm saying? So, ooh, this smells good. It smells like flowers. Put that on my neck as well. And then now I am going in with the Tata Harper's Hydrating Floral Essence. You guys, I'm so excited to try this because I am very much so interested in Korean skincare. I just think Koreans have like one of the best skins. Like their women always look so flawless. Skin is always so clear. Like I love Korean skincare, and every time I look up Korean skincare, I always see them talk about Essence. And pretty much the Essence is hydrating, and it pretty much preps your face to receive the serums and the moisturizers for them to be a lot more effective. So I'm super excited to try this. This comes in a mist form. It's a hydrating floral essence, hydrating booster. Smells like flowers as well. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face and also on my neck. Let me take off my necklace. I don't know why I put this on. I'm trying to be cute. Trying to be cute for the video, honey. I'm gonna put on this necklace. So let me just go ahead and spray this all over my face. That felt like luxury, honey. That felt like pure luxury. So now it's time for my serums, and I feel like I got a little bit carried away with the serums because I have 3 serums right here, you guys. There's no reason why I have 3 serums right here, but I really couldn't choose which one I wanted to use. So the first one that I have is the Salicylic Acid Serum 2%. This is a daily acne treatment to clear and prevent new blemishes. So that's this one. And then I have this Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc 2%, and it's supposed to reduce congested pores, dark spots, and uneven textures. And then the last one, which is the one that I feel like I don't really need, but I still want to try it, is this one. It's the Quadruple Hyaluronic Acid Serum 5%, and this one's just to hydrate, plump, and smooth your skin. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do, okay, I think I'm gonna apply these 2 to my face and then this one to my neck because I'm extra, like, why not? I can apply multiple, so why not? Okay, so let me open these up, see how they look. I'm gonna go in with the Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc. I'm gonna go in with that one first because I feel like my pores are a little congested, you guys. Like, let me come close. Y'all see my forehead? All these fine bumps that I have, I literally get them every summer. So yeah, I am ready for my pores to not be congested. So yeah, let me go on with this Niacinamide Serum. It comes in this. And I'm just gonna apply it. It's a little runny, but that's all right. like this is giving me glass skin, honey. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, I look good, y'all. This is giving glass skin. And then let me go in with the treatment now, because I feel like that salicylic acid is kind of like a treatment. So I'm gonna go in with this one afterwards. And this is how it looks. Is that focusing? Okay, I'm gonna put this one on top. Yeah, this one's super runny. This one's even more runny than the first one. Y'all see that? So then I'm gonna go in with the hyaluronic serum. This is just a hydrating serum. I'm gonna put this one on my neck and my chest. Can't forget about your chest, ladies. So this is how this one looks. Okay. And then now I have to go in with a moisturizer. So this is an encapsulated salicylic acid moisturizer, 0.75%. It's a daily acne treatment moisturizer and clears and prevents blemishes. So that's this here. I'm gonna apply a generous amount of this to my face and also to my neck. Okay. It's nice and thick. Put a little bit more on my neck and my chest. Gotta work it down. You don't want to just look young in the face. You got to make sure you look young in your neck and also your chest. You feel me? And also your hands. All right, we got that done. So now we're gonna go in with a moisturizing eye balm. This is from Believe as well. I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes. This is how it looks. Take a little bit, put that underneath my eye. Do the same for the other side. Shoot, put some on the lids too. Why not? Why not? Okay. So we have that there. But we're gonna go in with the Phyto Glow Lip Balm from Naturium. This is how it looks. And we're gonna put that on my lips. Ooh, look at the applicator. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, this is thick. This is super thick. All right, y'all, so this is my skin. I look so like radiant and I'm glowing. I'm really loving how the products are making my face look. Of course, probably in a few months I'll come back and give you guys an update on which products I love, which products I don't love. But for right now, I'm liking how everything looks on my face. We'll see how well they work in keeping my face acne free. So yeah, guys, that is it. So before I go, I do have to put on my clogs soft shield pimple patches because your girl got a couple pimples, one right here and one right here that I don't want to pop. So I'm gonna put these on and end out the video. Okay. You can't even see it. Wow. Y'all, I put the patch not even on the pimple. Oh Lord, I'm here wasting all these patches. The patch ain't even go on the pimple. A clown, I tell you. Okay, let me just do it in the mirror. There we go. There you go. You can barely see anything, you guys. So yeah, guys, that is it for the skincare routine using the products that I got from Beauty Fest. If you guys have any questions about any of the products that I used in today's video, definitely be sure to leave me a comment down below. Also, thumbs up this video if you guys would like to see more of the stuff that I got from Beauty Fest. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.